There's a kind of magic here in the Great Smoky Mountains, where layers of blue ridges stretch toward the horizon and morning mist dances through ancient valleys. In autumn, this landscape comes alive in breathtaking color. This is more than a photography trip. It's a chance to immerse yourself in one of America's most iconic national parks during its most stunning season. Our Smoky Mountains Autumn Photography Workshop brings together passionate photographers, from beginners to seasoned pros, to chase the light, explore the land, and capture unforgettable images. Each day is an adventure. From sunrise sessions at panoramic overlooks, to quiet moments by cascading waterfalls, to golden hour strolls down country roads painted in color. We visit iconic locations and hidden gems. Photograph rustic cabins, crystal clear streams, and the fiery reds, golds, and oranges of peak fall foliage. The Smokies put on a show, and we're there to witness it. You'll receive hands-on instruction in the field and with post-processing. You'll learn new techniques and walk away with powerful images. And, we hope, even better memories. This workshop isn't just about photography. It's about connection with the landscape, with your creativity, and with your fellow photographers while having fun. Join us this fall in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Capture beauty and create something unforgettable.